Hey guys, this is Souvik and in this video I will show you how you can change an image into a transparent background image. I mean convert a JPEG image into a PNG one. Can you understand my words? If not, then let me explain in a simple way. So simply this video is about how to change this image into this image. Here is two methods of doing that. The first one is from Android and the second one is from computer. I mean Photoshop. And I am showing both the methods in this video. But before going into the video, if you press the subscribe button, it will help me a lot. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the first trick I am going to show you is from Android. Here is an application named Eraser helps us to erase our background. I will give the Google Play link in the description. Here you have to open your image that you want to make transparent. Then crop that image accordingly. Now you can erase it manually, but if you select the auto mode, the app will automatically detect the color and erase that. Now select the smoothness level and your transparent PNG image will be ready to use. Now move on to the computer. Open Photoshop first. Here I am using Photoshop 7.0, which is the lightest Photoshop from Adobe. Drag your image into there. Now go to the layer section and create a new transparent layer and select the image layer. Now select the magic tool and click on the area which you want to remove. Now press the delete key and boom, the background will be removed. Now save that image into PNG format and that will be ready to use. So if you guys like my video, give a big thumbs up. If you love my videos, click to the red subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next one.